Namaskara, I am Dr. Malini from the Department of History, Bangalore City University. Established in 2019, the Department of History was one of the founding departments of the Bangalore City University. MA in History at the Bangalore City University shall comprise of 4 semesters with a student taking 5 courses in each semester. The department offers courses consisting of 4 streams: historical methods and historiography, global history, Indian history, and regional history. BCU PG regulations mandate that a student has to take 20 courses of 4 credits each in order to earn a master degree in history. Out of these, a minimum of 2 courses will have to be taken outside the Department of History as per the CBCS norms. These courses will be taken in the second and the third semester. Further, a student can opt to do a project in the fourth semester. Relevant reading and additional resources such as maps, timelines, audiovisual materials, and primary source documents shall be suggested for each module. A lesson plan will be created for each week or session, and the same will be shared with the students. The learning objective of our program is to understand the nature of historical truth and learn how knowledge about the past is produced and revised. We also want the student to study the past of human societies and obtain empirical knowledge of Indian and world history with a specific focus on Karnataka. We will enable our students to understand the role history plays in contemporary world and also in fashioning human futures. The students will obtain a professional orientation and analytical grounding aptitude which will enable the graduate to work in a variety of professional contexts. To achieve these learning objectives, we hope to offer courses which will not be limited to the study of textbooks but will compel students to obtain knowledge of primary sources and historical scholarship. We also intend to provide intensive training to students in academic writing and computing. History in digital age. A new field of study has opened up in history, and historians are experimenting with a new medium. They are using new tools that the digital age has offered them, like geographical information system, XML coding, digital video blogs, and many more such tools. Today, students of history are able to use a wide variety of digital tools and techniques that allow them to research and teach history. This is possible because of the vast information that is available on the internet. We are using technology to gather, preserve, and present the past on the web. The sources that provide insight into the past are digitalized and made available online than ever before. The researchers are using these sources to ask questions like how many battles were fought in Bangalore in the past, how many inscriptions of the Chola dynasty are found in Karnataka, how can I understand or interpret 100 books all at once, how can I create a visualization that my students can interact with and create a new learning experience for them. The answers to these questions can be explored using a wide variety of digital tools, methods, and sources. Many museums, libraries, archives, and other institutions have digitalized their collections and artifacts. New tools and standards have been developed that turn these materials into machine readable data like the optical character recognition and the text encoding initiative. These technologies have enabled researchers to process huge amount of textual data. However, this is not limited to text alone. Sound, images, and videos have been subject to new forms of research. Digital history will help us to manage digital scholarship. Whether you are a student, a scholar, librarian, or an archivist, museum curator, or a public historian, or just plain curiosity, digital history will help you to bring your area of study or interest to new life using digital tools. Our sources in the future will be almost entirely digital. Instant messages, emails, doc files, PDFs, digital videos, podcasts, and databases. To this end, we need to expose our students to the variety of research and teaching tools already available in digitalizing history. So, studying history in the digital age is just not about the past, but how we can present the past to the mass audience using the latest technology.